how to use Klarna one-time card. Now, first of all, open the Klarna app and open the Klarna app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to Shop tab, tap on Shop or Shop tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can search for any store like Amazon or eBay. And now search for the store. So type the name of the store you want to shop from. Choose the correct store from the search result. And now tap Pay with Klarna. Now once the store's page opens, tap on Pay with Klarna. This will start the process to create one-time cards. Now enter the total amounts. Type the total amount that you plan to spend at the store. Be accurate, including shipping and taxes. After that, choose a payment plan. So Klarna will show you a payment options. Pick that one that works best for you, of course. And after that, create the one-time card. Tap Create Cards, and Klarna will generate a virtual card number for you. So if you don't know how to do these steps, you can go back to the older video that explains this. So after that, you use the card to pay. So go back to the store's websites or app. At the checkout, choose credit card payment. After that, enter the Klarna one-time card details. And this is how to use Klarna one-time card. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.